Different on that scissor. Different on that scissor. Different on that scissor. Different on that scissor.
What's good, y'all? It's Live Good, Living Good, and we're gonna be eating good because I got a special guest with me, and her name is Tay. So we're bringing in the fall, and to do that, Tay is gonna be showing me some fall recipes.
So today we're gonna be making shepherd's pie, cornbread, and a special little alcohol drink. Ooh, apple cider.
You know I like my little drinks.
Little drinky drink, whatever. Yeah, I'm so excited, you guys.
I'm very excited. I never had shepherd's pie, so yours is gonna be the first one I ever had.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard. It's a very good meal for the fall.
Good.
So, you ready to see the ingredients? So we're gonna make it with?
I'm ready. Let's get into the video. Okay, this all looks great. What are we starting with?
So we start off with shepherd's pie. We have 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning, beef broth, onions, any herb that you want, but today we're going to use thyme, and mixed vegetables, and also the ground turkey. So are you ready?
I'm definitely ready. What's first?
So Olivia, you can just start dumping the stuff in. We'll mix it up.
Okay.
In a pan. Guys, if we had smell-o-vision, oh my gosh.
It smells so good. So
It
good.
smells so good right now.
I heard that back in the day, they thought shepherd's pie was actually a dessert.
Yeah, back then, it was no fruits, guys. It was real meat. Whatever meat that they had or the shepherds had at that time, that's what they would use. So we're gonna mix this all together, fry in a pan for at least a good 20 minutes on a low-high heat. After you're done, you will make your mashed potatoes, put it on top, leave it in the oven on 400 degrees for another good 15 minutes, and your shepherd's pie should be done. Once we cook the ground turkey for a good 15 to 20 minutes, and put 1 layer of mashed potatoes, by choice, you can be fancy with it and pipe out a cute little design. So what we did, we added some mashed potatoes in a Ziploc bag with a piping tip, and Olivia has a fork. She's gonna pipe out a little design, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven for a good 30 minutes.
Okay, excited. I think I'm just gonna do like a little lines.
Okay, Olivia. It really looks like a regular pie, actually.
There's a little something or whatever. Okay, I'm done.
So we're gonna pop this in the oven for 30 minutes for 400 degrees. See you when we get back. So while the food is cooking, we'll start with our boozy apple cider. For the ingredients we need ginger beer, bourbon, and apple cider. So being that I'm not much of a drinker, I'm not gonna put that much bourbon in mine.
I want a lot of bourbon.
Okay, now ain't nothing wrong with it. So we'll start with the ginger beer.
Okay.
Here you go, Olivia.
I actually love ginger, so this is good.
And it's really good for you, like when you're sick or something. Like it clears you up and everything. You do that little. And the star of this drink, the apple cider.
And apples come in season during fall, right?
Yeah, this is the best time for apple picking, apple cider. It's so delicious. That's the only time that they really have it out. It's during like the fall. Let's mix a little bit. Let's see. Let's give it a taste. Okay,
This is
now.
so good.
So good. Cheers to the fall.
And I don't taste the bourbon.
It's so smooth. So bourbon is like the best to use. Very smooth. And Evan Williams, I've used this a ton of times. Really good. You should really get this. Don't have it in your bar. I think the food is done. You want to give it a taste?
Yes, I think that's good.
So the food is done. Once again, we have the shepherd's pie that I made earlier. Cornbread, our boozy apple cider. You ready to dig in?
I'm so ready.
Oh my gosh. Look, you guys. So good. So good.
I'm gonna take the cornbread. Yes.
2 for your sweet and your savory. You got. I put a little sugar in my cornbread, so yeah, to make it a little sweet. So you gotta have sweet and savory. Are you ready to dig in? Because this is Olivia's first time eating.
First time ever. I've never had this before. I'm giving you my honest review.
Yes, you have to. Very savory. What do you think, Olivia?
It's so good. It's so good. It's very hearty, and it's like a full meal because the vegetables in it. You have your meat, you have your sides, which is the potatoes. It's very good.
Cornbread, oh my gosh. So
The drink.
she's like, is that
The drink is so good. I promise you guys, I'm not lying. It's so good. And it really feels like fall. Like everything here, it's so fall and very comforting and warm. Like it's great.
I'm so happy you have me on your show today.
I love everything you made. Seriously. Everything was
Thank
good.
you. So I have one more surprise. Olivia, you did not know about the surprise, so let me go get it right now. To bring in the fall, I got you a little gift.
Is this for my pumpkin lattes? Oh my god, it's so cute. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
So you think I should start a YouTube channel? I don't know.
Yes, definitely.
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
First of all, she's good at DIYs, great at making food, like, period. You need to make one ASAP. Seriously. So guys, everything here was so good. I really want you guys to try it. Let me know how it tastes in the comments below when you do make it for yourself. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate it and cooking for me. It was so good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you're gonna be making a channel, right?
Yes.
So when she does, I'll be putting her link in the description below.
Bye.
Okay, all this look great. Okay.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
We have two
Shepherd's
two
pie.
cans. Oh shucks.
Yeah, hello.
Okay,
But they
so
know we're doing shepherd's pie. tonight.
No,
what are we starting
We're
with?
starting with shepherd's pie.
Okay, okay, go.
all of this. Okay. Okay.
To close the garlic.
Peyton.
Peyton, stay still.
Go stay in that room. Don't come back out.
Don't yell.
What about your facts?
So yeah. Liv, I think we did a good job. Cheers.
Okay, one more time.
Okay, wait. Also, guys.
Yeah, to do a little fancy design. It's by choice or option. Shit. It's option. Goddamn. Don't do that.
Just no, guys.
Once you do the, once we cook the ground turkey for a good 15 to 20 minutes. So,
That's
Olivia,
okay.
I hope you enjoyed it. Did you?
We should probably finish chewing first.
Okay. So
Jasper, get down right now.
Should we end it?